Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video you are going to see me do butterfly locks on my sister's head, and let me just tell you guys that I'm not experienced, but I wanted you guys to see how I did this so that we can all learn together. So I started off in the back of her head just to make this video a lot shorter because I know you guys don't want to watch the whole thing. So I'm showing you guys how many braids I did in the front. So overall I had about 43 braids, and the hair that I use today is water wave hair. You see me here cutting it in half because I use 18 inches, and in order for me to start at the bottom too, you know, she wanted that bob look, so I had to cut it in half because if it was long then it would be too long and too much hair to wrap up. So I'm demonstrating here how I crochet the hair. So pretty much I put the needle through her hair, I grab that hair, pull it through, and I try to get one end on one side. As you guys see me, I put my finger through the hair and I grab one side and I try to get that to the other side while holding on to the other side, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So you guys see me here. I am going to try to not make it so even. I like to have one side a little bit shorter than the other side, and you guys are seeing me pretty much detangle the hair just so that it gives that distressed fluffy look, because when it's at its regular state it doesn't come out as poofy, I guess that's what I want to say. So here you guys are going to start seeing me wrap the hair. I grab the braid with the one side and then I start wrapping. So pretty much you just start to wrap going down, and you will see that I put my finger kind of like around it so I could create that butterfly look, so it's not too tight. So you want to like loosen it up, put your finger through it. As you guys can see, that's what I'm doing. I do that like maybe 1 or 2 times until I get to the bottom, maybe like 3 or 4 times to be exact. But this actual lock didn't come out as perfect as I wanted it to, but I wanted to show you guys because honestly guys, I'm not perfect, so I just wanted to show you guys. So right here you guys are gonna see that I flip the hair going upwards. So you want to put your finger through and just flip it up, and then just start raveling upward, and then you just do that until you have no more hair and there's pretty much no more hair to wrap around, and that's it. Wasn't my perfect one, but you guys are gonna see that I do another one and it looks a lot better. So when I get to the top, I do not cut the hair like how I did it before, because obviously it's at the top and you know it's a lot longer. So I'm doing the same thing as I did before, you know, just putting the hair through, unraveling it, and then I just start to wrap. That's how easy this is, guys. Like, I love doing this on my sister's hair. She loves it. We went a lot shorter than what we did before, but she loves the bob look. You see how she's looking at me. But yeah, so it's pretty much just the same step, and I'm gonna stop talking here so that you guys can just watch. If only you can actually do that with real clients, right? But as I said before, guys, I'm not an expert. I'm just showing you guys again in a sped up time how I do this. It's a real simple, quick, easy look. The style lasts about 2 to 3 weeks tops, because it's synthetic hair, you know. So if you guys like these type of videos, let me know down in the comments, or like this video. Don't forget to subscribe so I know what you guys like, and I could just create more videos for you all. I really do enjoy doing hair for fun. This is all for fun, guys. But you know, you may never know. But anyways, guys, if I didn't mention before, or if I'm gonna mention it again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below, because I really do love doing these things. And so yeah, see you guys in my next one. Bye.